Hey, we are back doing another video in our visuals presentation software series where I go into these visual presentation softwares and review them based on ProPresenter or a good free version and see where they stack up, because ProPresenter is the best one out there, and there's other free stuff. So we kind of judge based on that. I'm going to try my best not to judge based on what ProPresenter has and what this doesn't have, but try to find what things this would be good at and where things are bad. So today we are doing Video Psalm, which I've never heard of before researching all of these different softwares. There's so many more softwares out there than I thought. We are going to jump in and see where it goes. Okay, version 1.29. Let's see what we got. We got empty agenda. That's probably like a playlist or something. Songbooks, Bibles. Okay, can we... Oh, do we have to search? Oh, we have to search for, you have to import the Bible. Okay. Oh, no, it has it. It has the Bible. NIV? ESV? Next. Next. Okay, it's importing the Bible. We got the Bible. All right. Let's see what we got here. Deuteronomy. Oh, they have it color-coded. That's nice. These are chapters, and then that's that. And do we make a slide? How do you make a slide? Oh, that just... Oh, okay. So this is the view screen. You just click on it, and you click on it there. Okay. All right, I'm kind of all over the place. We're getting our bearings straight. Let's go to the settings. Let's see if we can find settings. Nope. Open an agenda is a show. I would imagine. Import. Interesting. Don't know what happened. Don't know what's there. Edit. Backup. Restore options. All right. We are in options. We got this. All right. Video Psalm is free, by the way. This is a free software. So if you're wondering, it is free. Seago. Okay. Songbooks. Bibles we already looked at. Agenda. Switch off, then continue. Show the items, colors, song. Lyric editor. Okay, they have chord charts. Chord Pro. What's that drop down? Do that. Oh, you can have a very specific color if you do that. Okay, that's chords, song, verse, tag. Okay. Chord font. Okay. Video. Presentation screen. Display. It goes to display settings. Good. Identify screens. Okay. Maybe if you hooked it up, you would have another screen. Okay, in songs, have all these settings. Thumbnail width, notifications, customization, previous, next, modules, connect to a remote stage view app. Okay, they have an app. That's neat. All right, let's add something. Add CCLI song. Oh, okay. You have all of these things you can add. Can I just add I can add a website. Okay. Does it go to Wycliffe? Okay. You can add websites, so that's nice. Open an agenda. I kind of want to just add it via that way. Interesting. Remove, yes. Okay, so I need to find a CCLI song. I need a song. What are these? Okay, this does not look like it's been updated for a long time. 16 by 9, I guess. Text, website base, standalone video. Let's add in a video. Let's see what we got. Okay, so that plays. That goes there. What is this shield thing? Shield preserves the currently presenting song slides, enables the agenda or song search for while presenting a song. To override the advances the next slide. Whoa, let's go back here. That's strange. That is really strange. All right. Well, let's like, can it be a PDF that I import? It can be. Download PDF. Let's do that and see what happens. I don't want an account. All right, we're gonna go to Planning Center because they have PDFs I can download. We're gonna do this thing and link song. Let's go there. Lyrics. Download the lyrics and save. I should probably listen to this song because I am mixing this on it. Can't help but praise. King of Kings, the blessing. Oh, the name, Jesus over everything. Okay. All right, we are going back. Let's import a song, PDF, I guess. Download. Can't help but praise. And okay, what does this snowflake do? There's got to be a way to, like, what in the world? Edit. I just want to build a. Oh, this is real glitchy. That'd screw you up on a Sunday. Okay. Well, that's a shield. What does this freeze? It freezes the live screen without freezing the preview area. Okay. Well, I'm kind of looking for a preview area that ProPresenter does, but I know this is such a niche software that probably not a whole lot of people use it. I could be wrong, but I've never heard of this, so you'd have to go finding it if you actually do use it. And I do see some good things in it, but I don't know how to. I want to just build a song, and I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to build a song. Let me add a song. New song. Lyrics. Okay. Now we're on to something. Download. We're gonna copy at least Control C. Let's do that. Okay, that's verse 1. That's what it says is verse 1. You have chords there, you have files, you have miscellaneous, you have lyrics. Right click, verse order. Okay, cancel. So now I can go down here. This program also has CCLI, which is nice. Okay, that recognizes it's another verse. So that's good. But it's a pre-chorus, but we'll worry about that later. And we'll add just the chorus here. Add that here. All right, so that all recommends it. It knows it's a, oh, it does that thing. Interesting. Okay, so how, so a spacebar indicates, but I don't want it to, or just change the skin. Let's go back to the original. Can I just, yeah, whatever that was. How do you just, I want it to be verse 3. This software has been the easiest to get down to 2 slides though, so that's nice. So you have all of these, and then you just click through. I wonder if you can get rid of the motion to them, and what if you, is it just a drag and drop thing, or does it skip? Oh, it skips it if you uncheck it. Interesting. All right. But now what about these verse orders? What do we got? We could probably add all sorts of stuff. You just collect a lot of verse orders, because I want these two to be really okay, and then do that and do that. All right, well, it's not terrible, it's just a little wonky. You just press A there. So then yeah, then you click through here and it just keeps going. Okay, well that works. It's not ideal. I'm not sure if you can change that or not, but let's see if we can find options. Display. I don't want it to hide style, level change, flyout. Maybe that was it. Is there a way to edit this song? Oh, animation. How about no animation? Oh, you can do all sorts. That's interesting. I want 0 animation. There we go. That should be 0 animation. Great. All right. No, we're gonna put that there. That might just be a smooth fade. Yeah, smooth fade. Great. All right. Now where do I go? I want it in the middle. There we go. Yeah, if you're used to old school Windows Word, then this makes sense. I don't think this is being used all that much because they have an old Twitter icon here. Yeah, so, but it's really similar to the old school Windows. So that makes it sense for some people that are, if they already learned Word and Excel, this would work. this is by far nowhere near capable as other softwares. Most other softwares are cleaner looking, more feature set, and less confusing of a walkthrough to get going. But they do have a lot of different options, which are good. It's just a little bit less user focused, because some of these icons don't make a whole lot of sense. Like this half moon thing switches the screen off. Like that's, and I probably would have needed next button, but it works. All right, let's see if we can get rid of that new song title. I don't know where we would do that from, but I don't need the song title in there. I don't want it. All right. One thing I don't know if they have is a confidence monitor. I'm not seeing that anywhere. So if you have it, okay, you just have to click on it. Like, can I duplicate this? Okay, I can duplicate it. So can I duplicate it with a different image? Yep. And then this one. Okay, so your backdrops would have to change every song, which would not be great. I just like black backdrops anyways, so that might be most beneficial. Style. Let's go to style, I guess. Okay, we have all this stuff. Whoa, in the world. Footer. Is this where I get rid of the... None of it. I don't want any of it. Import the new song, choose it under text. Max lines is 2. So if we go to there, does that automatically okay? That's how you keep them in all in verse 2 is you just do max lines of 2 and it stays there. So that's nice. We're gonna get rid of this verse 3 and boom. All right, so now it's, yeah, now you just got verse 1, verse 2, verse 3. And I bet you could change the name here to chorus maybe. Yeah, it doesn't change there, but that's all right. Yeah, it's interesting. A lot of visuals presentation software have like just boxes you click on. I think that's a lot easier to run than this, because all you have right here is just lines. But it does work. I just don't know where you get much settings or much of the playbook from. But let's go back, look and see if we've got any anything from Video Psalm on Facebook. Video Psalm for church presentations. Okay, we're in here. Yeah, 8,000 followers. Not a lot. So, and it looks like they stopped about last year. They have not posted for a year. I wonder if this is someone's side project. But yeah, they haven't really posted for a year, and they might need help with graphics. Anyways, let's get rid of that. All right. I don't really know what else to look for, but man, it seems like this is someone's side project for their personal church that they made a long time ago, and haven't updated it a whole lot because they're on. Do we got info here somewhere? What they were on, like, about, yeah, version 1.29. That was released in February of 25. So they updated it then. Their website is still active. Yeah, you can have the songbooks. That seems fair. You can have the Bible. The Bible was fine. And you can also have a chord chart on the screens, but I don't know how you edit your confidence monitor, because it's not clear. It needs to be clear on how you edit confidence monitor, and I can't find it. So that's a problem. You need a confidence monitor, and you need to be able to add another screen for the online stream or other screens in your building that you want to run to. So that's kind of a miss. But the website said that it's possible. Display settings. Oh, you can just have a clock. Interesting. Oh, you can have another clock here. Okay, just a simple countdown clock, I guess. I guess so. Why not? There's a lot of big setting things here that are, oh, stage view. Oh, wow. Okay, message to stage view. That's how you get it. So, okay, this is nice. You can show your next slide vertically or horizontally. That's a win. I'd love it just to see the thing, but that's all right. Show progress with abbreviations, I guess. Change that to middle. Change that to orange. Apply. So I must not be able to see the stage view until it's hooked up, which is a little unfortunate, but oh well. Okay. It seems somewhat straightforward, but yeah, there's better softwares out there. I would recommend FreeShow if you are looking for a free presentation software. FreeShow is a bit more streamlined and simpler for the things we've seen today, but I did get around it more. And I'm not going to be too hard on it because it is free, and it works. But it doesn't look like it's been updated for a year. The UI is dated by 10 years. Yeah, I have to think through it of like, oh wow, I just see the text and not boxes like I do in ProPresenter or FreeShow in that matter. And some of these things are a little wonky. This guy messes with the screen a lot, so I'm not sure if that messes with the display or not, but I don't know why that glitches out. But you have a lot of the settings right off the bat, so that's nice, but I wouldn't use a whole lot of these. But anyways, it's there. Yeah, so this was my review of Video Psalm. I would recommend another software, and this works, but there's better. There's better. It's not as confusing as some other softwares, but my expectations were a bit lower as I first started this. So if I was paying for this, this would be a hard pass. But it's free and it works enough. I'm not sure if the new person stepping into this would get the hang of it. I think I've been around enough video presentation softwares to know what is what. So new volunteers might not be able to really figure this out that quickly. And that's the key. You're going to have volunteers run it, so they need to be comfortable. And I don't think they would be comfortable with just this text and this spot over here where you're clicking, because you can click, you can mess up pretty easily with the list. So you'd have to use your number keys. So I wish you could just click. They've got most of it, but I would recommend other softwares. So anyways, thanks for watching this review of Video Psalms, and I will create another video of another software coming up and see what it's like. So once again, if you are from Video Psalms, reach out to me. I'd love to chat and talk through some of the reasonings you have here and just meet other people helping the church. This is a help because it is free, so, and it is better than PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a little less intuitive with that, and you can't really control it a whole lot. So it is better than PowerPoint, which is our goal with any visuals presentation software, is to eliminate PowerPoint uses of churches. They shouldn't need them. There's too many free softwares out there to use PowerPoint. So if you're using PowerPoint and like the view of the 2010 Office Suite, this program is for you. That's about all I would say with that. So anyways, thanks for watching, y'all. I will see you in the next video. And which one I do next, I have presenter coming up that I need to do, proclaim, media shout, and I think there's another free software out there that's gaining popularity. So I'll make sure to touch on those four in the next few months and see what's what with what they have going on. But anyways, this was Video Psalms. See you in the next video.